Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Keurig Breville Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we pretty much replace the water, the filter inside the water tank. We descale the machine, we deep clean everything around it, especially around the cup holder, the cake cup holder, and pretty much all around a little bit. I have a similar grind to one of these little Keurig pots inside this machine. This machine also takes a pre-ground coffee, so you can just put this adapter in there and just grind your own coffee, whatever coffee you want, and just put it in there. It's Breville recommends a French press grind for this machine. So basically, I just replicated this one of these cups, which is this thing. I replicated the same grind and I just put it inside the machine. So let's see how it goes. So we're gonna start brewing one cup, then we're gonna try one of these pots and brew it in there to compare. Good water flow coming out of the machine, not clogging or anything like that, which is great. We'll prepare the other cake up in the meantime.
Oh man, they last 20 years, you know, take care of them. Yeah.
Now the machine will overfill again. As you can see, it's heating up. So let's just remove the cake cup and the cake cup holder from the pre-ground, and now we'll insert the other one right here. It's a little hard with just one hand, but you got it in there. Perfect. And now that is ready to brew, let's switch cup. Again, this is the K-cup, not the pre-ground.
So that kind of eliminates lower end machines, the aspect of having a plummet.
As you can see, this one is a little bit darker, so probably I did not put a lot of coffee in here, or didn't pack it the way it's supposed to be packed. And there you have it, Breville Keurig working once again. There was no water flow before coming out of this machine, and now it is. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.